Hi, my name is Dave, and today I will be demonstrating how to install a PayRange laundry kit on a Maytag washer. To begin with, ensure the machine's power is turned off and then unscrew and lower the control panel. Next, plug the PayRange BluKey into the laundry interface module located on the PayRange laundry kit. Locate the connection labeled Coin 1 on the machine's control board. This connection may not always be at the location shown. Remove the connector and plug it into the female 4-pin connector on the PayRange laundry kit. Then, plug the male 4-pin connector from the PayRange laundry kit into the connector labeled Coin 1 on the control board. Plug the 6-pin flat connector from the PayRange laundry kit into the control board. Please note, ensure the tab at the ends of the flat connector is pointing towards the catch on the board. Once completed, the laundry interface module and PayRange BluKey will have the LED light turn on to confirm receiving power. The laundry interface module will have dip switches that need to be configured correctly to ensure proper functionality. Dip switch 2 should be set off for washers and on for dryers.